Hi guys, welcome back to Be Good Nation. In our former video, I showed you how to set up your own WordPress blog by yourself without the need of any developer. It was very easy, right? I saw a whole comment from all of you about how easy it was and how happy you are to have learned it. Today I'm going to take you to a new step of what you need to do. It's very simple. What am I talking about? How to set up free SSL for your WordPress blog. Sometimes you might go to some site and you'll see a triangle beside the URL at a blog. Well, some people will say there's no problem with it, but there is a very serious issue about it because it shows that that particular page is not secured. First of all, there is a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Over the past few years, Google have always been hitting it about the need to make every website on the internet be on HTTPS. HTTPS is just an extra layer of security for a particular website. If your site does not have HTTPS, or probably a particular page does not have HTTPS, you will see that triangle I was talking about. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the free Let's Encrypt SSL for your site. After installing the certificate for your site, I'm also going to show you how to force your site to use HTTPS protocol. So no matter what happens, no matter the page you open, you are going to see HTTPS. You're going to see that padlock that is always shining green at the top of your site. This procedure is very easy and straight to the point. If you were able to install the WordPress site, you can be able to do this one. It's very easy. It just involves using your HTSS. I'm going to give you the code in the comment section. It's very easy for you to do. Just go to the comment section and you'll see the code, the exact code I used on the tutorial. You'll see it down there. Are you ready to learn today? Please don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Follow me. Let's go to my computer. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys. This is my cPanel. Okay. Um, it's very simple for us to be able to get SSL to work on our site. I just have to scroll down on my cPanel to where I see Let's Encrypt SSL. So you just quickly scroll and look for where they wrote Let's Encrypt SSL. Okay, so for those that are still looking for it, it's just simple. Click on your laptop, Control F, then type LETS. Alright, so here it is. Alright, Let's Encrypt SSL. Okay, now I can just open this in a new tab. So Let's Encrypt SSL will just basically list all the domains you currently have and you are trying to give SSL. Okay, see these ones at the top, these ones here, they already installed SSL. Okay, they are to expire on 11th February 2023. Okay, all right. So when you get to this stage, when you get to this year, I can just renew or reinstall a new SSL from Let's Encrypt without having to pay for a personal private SSL. Okay. Alright, so now quickly go and look for our domain. This is our domain we were looking for, installing wordpress.buzz.com.ng. But you should know, installing wordpress.buzz.com.ng is a subdomain of buzz.com.ng. If you don't understand how we did this, you can watch our previous video where we explain exactly how we did this. The title of the video is How to Install WordPress Website. Once again, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please kindly click on the red subscribe button below to subscribe to Be Good Nation and turn on the notification bell to receive our videos whenever we upload them. All right, so back to the topic. Now we have buzz.com.ng and we have installing wordpress.buzz.com.ng, which is a subdomain. So I'm just going to simply use this subdomain to explain to you how to install your own. Whenever you enter your own Let's Encrypt dashboard, you're going to see all your domains. So take example, in our previous video, we wanted to buy IamAGoodBoyNow.com. If you had bought it and you've gotten a hosting, you would have seen IamAGoodBoyNow.com listed among the domain names here. So you just quickly come to the particular domain you want to install the SSL for, and you click on issue. Okay, it's going to take a few seconds and it's going to bring it down to this page. I always love to tick on cPanel to prevent any SSS conflicting issues on my cPanel. I always love clicking on cPanel. Okay, Now I will just leave it at HTTP 01 instead of DNS 01. I will just leave it at HTTP 01. I will just say issue. Okay, it's going to take a couple of seconds to validate, and we install the SSL. Then once it's done, it's going to tell you the SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain. It will leave the name of the domain name using IP address. It will give you the name of the IP address. Now the existing virtual host has been updated with new certificates. Apache is restarting in the background. That is not an issue. It has started working in the background. This is the first step to doing that. Now if, for example, you go to your domain name, let's open in a guest window, installing wordpress.balls.com.ng. When we load this, it should be coming up with SSL now. You can see now that it's still not coming up with SSL. It's still telling us not secured even after doing that. So we have to go and verify it for the second step, if we have done everything right. So I will paste this code I'm going to be using. You'll be seeing it in the comment section. Okay, so let me copy this quickly and just quickly go to my file manager. I'll just quickly go to my file manager. I want the video to be short and straight to the point. Okay, I'll just quickly go to my file manager, open my file manager, locate the domain we want to work with. Now for this case, it's a subdomain called installing WordPress. I'm going to quickly locate it. For those of you that have not done this before, you just have to click on settings and enable this box. Enable it, show hidden files. Okay, and click on save. It's going to reload and show you the hidden file. HTSS is one of the hidden files, so just quickly come to your HTSS. All right, so now we have our HTSS after enabling the settings. All right, so we can just quickly click on HTSS and we click on edit. Okay, it's going to take us to this page. So this, I'll put these comments and I'll put this code in the comment section, okay, for you to be able to copy and paste. So we'll just quickly come on the top and we'll just quickly paste the code. Okay, we say save. All right, now once we do save, the last thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go back to our WordPress installation to be sure that our installation was set properly. So what we do is we just locate WordPress back in our cPanel and we open it in a new tab. Okay, let me adjust it so you get to see. Okay, so now we're going to have to locate that our particular site. All right, now look at the particular site. Okay, it is already having SSL HTTPS. If it is not, you just quickly click on my WordPress icon here, say manage your WordPress installation manager. All right, so you just quickly come here and you type in S in the website URL and you click on save. If I remove it, the save button will show. If I type it back and I can now click on save site info, it's going to show me that the site info has been saved successfully. All right, so let us try our site again in a new guest window.